Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how I transformed this plain looking diorama into this. But before that, just keep in mind that I will not go very deeply into the building and painting. I'll just point out the major changes I made. With that said, let's begin. That's it. I hope you liked the video, and remember, if your diorama don't look the way you want, you can always change it. And before I go, I want to say thank you very much for all the support you guys give to this channel. It is amazing, so thank you very much. And also, there is some news about the channel. Now you can become a channel member and join the Giraffe Army. Oh yeah. But don't worry, you don't need to become a member to enjoy all the content, because all the videos will still be available for everyone, because I think all the knowledge, any kind of knowledge, must be free and accessible for everyone anywhere. But If you want to support this channel even more and you have the possibility, I will greatly appreciate it, because you will be making it possible not only for me but for everyone else. So yeah, I see you guys on the next year. I really wish you health and love and everything good. Bye bye, adios. Oh, and also follow me on Instagram and subscribe and give a like and everything, all that stuff.